everyone, it's Miss Swy from Maker Monday. Today's project is a kaleidoscope. Whoa, cool how all the shapes move around and all the colors look so cool. Now with today's project, we're going to use specialty scrapbook paper from the craft store, and we'll use a hot glue gun, so make sure you have a grown-up to help you. Let's get started. Here's what you need: scissors, a TP tube, scotch tape, a marker or a pen of any kind, some kind of colorful tape like duct tape or washi tape, a ruler, some clear plastic from a package. It should be big enough to cut circles from 2 TP tubes. Some sequins or table confetti, I like the sparkly kind, and this reflective specialty paper from the craft store, a hot glue gun, and a grown-up to help you. First, let's decorate the outside of our kaleidoscope. I'm using pink duct tape. You can use washi tape, you can use newspaper, you could use magazines and glue it on. You are the artist, you get to decide what your kaleidoscope looks like. Now we're going to cut 2 circles from this piece of plastic. We want them to be nice and flat. Trace the TP tube onto the plastic 2 times and cut them out. You might need to trim it down a tiny bit to make sure it fits perfectly. One of these will be glued to the end of the TP tube. Get a grown-up to help you add hot glue around the outside of the TP tube like this. Very carefully, your grown-up will add the piece of plastic to the top. Let it set for just a second. Now we're going to add the sequins or table confetti into the tube. I'm using large sequins and smalls. You don't want to put too many in there. Make sure there's enough room for them to move. Next, take your other plastic circle and just press it down into the tube so it's flat. Make sure none of them fall out. Looks good. Next, we'll cut a piece of reflective paper that measures 4 inches by 4 inches. Mark 4 inches on the side and on the top. Draw a square and cut it out. Next, we need to fold our paper twice. Once into the middle and the other side into the middle again. Be sure the reflective part is in the inside of this triangle and tape it closed. Be gentle with it. Finally, we're going to add this into the tube. Now it feels like it's going to fall out. Let's add a tiny bit of glue to the 3 corners of this triangle just so it doesn't fall out. Now let's see how it looks with these larger pieces. I love these stars and moons. This is table confetti. Remember, don't put too many pieces in there. Good job, makers! Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you get to do a new art project every week. See you next time!